Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about the basic concept of periodic table. This is a topic from chemistry and this is the first lesson of this topic. This video is common for students from all boards. So let's start the lesson. Now, this is a picture of periodic table. Previously, Mendeleev arranged all these elements in the periodic table on the basis of their increasing atomic weights. That means all these elements were arranged on the basis of their atomic weights in an increasing order. But later on, Moseley modified that Mendeleev's periodic table and he arranged all these elements in the periodic table on the basis of their increasing atomic numbers. That means the elements were previously arranged on the basis of their atomic weights in an increasing order. Later on, they were arranged on the basis of their atomic numbers in an increasing order. Now, what is atomic number? Atomic number is equal to the number of electrons which are present in the energy shells of an atom. There are various energy shells present in an atom. Suppose this is an atom, various energy shells are present. So, atomic number is the number of electrons those are present in this energy shells of an atom. Okay. Now, Moseley arranged all these elements in their increasing atomic numbers because the physical and the chemical properties of all these elements depend on the number of electrons which are present in the energy shells and the arrangement of these electrons. So, the physical and chemical properties not only depends upon only the number of electrons present but also on the arrangements of these electrons present in the energy shells of an atom. That's why Moseley arranged all these elements in an increasing order of their atomic number. Clear? Now, in the periodic table, there are several horizontal rows. Those we call it as periods. See, there are 7 periods all total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are the horizontal rows. These are known as periods. And in the periodic table, there are some vertical columns. Those are known as groups. There are all total 18 vertical columns or groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all these up to 18. This is the 18th one. All these are the vertical columns. Those are known as groups. So, there are 7 periods and 18 groups in a periodic table. Okay. Now, suppose this is helium. I'm writing helium. Here you will see 2 is written and at the bottom 4 is written. What is 2 and what is 4? This 2 at the top means this is the atomic number of helium. And 4 at the bottom means this is the atomic mass of the helium. Don't get confused between atomic number and atomic mass. If this is written, then the topmost number is atomic number and the bottom one is the atomic mass. This you have to keep in mind. And in the periodic table, the metallic character is maximum at the left of the periodic table. And the non-metallic character is maximum at the right of the periodic table. So, basically it means that metals are present at the left of the periodic table, okay? And the non-metals are present at the right of the periodic table. Clear? Now, we will know what is the modern periodic law. Now, the modern periodic law means the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. This basically means, already I have told you in the previous slide, that the physical and chemical properties of the elements depends upon the number of elements present in that, number of electrons present in the element, right? Or present in the energy shells of that element. So, modern periodic law states the similar thing only in a different language. See, the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. Physical and chemical properties. That means the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. Periodic functions of their atomic number means these physical and chemical properties of elements depend upon the number of electrons present in the valence shells of an atom. Clear? Now, in the previous slide, I have already discussed that these elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. Okay, they are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers, and 7 periods are present and 18 groups are present in periodic table. Okay, now what we will know is, see, the groups like 1, 2, 13, 17. The groups 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All these groups are known as normal elements. That means the elements who are present in all these groups, okay, they are known as normal elements. And those elements who are present in the groups from 3 to 12, this middle portion, the elements present in this middle portion of the periodic table, they are known as transition elements. And the elements who are present at the 18th group, the elements present in the 18th group number 18, those are known as noble or inert elements. Why noble elements? Because in the 18th group, noble gases are present. And why they are called inert? In noble gases, what happens? See, in helium, it has 2 valence electrons in its valence shell. That means duplet is already achieved by helium. There is no more space for any other electrons to be placed inside that valence shell. So, its valence shell is complete. Helium cannot take any other electron in its valence shell. So, it is least reactive. It will not react to any other element, right? So, that's why it is inert in nature. That's why the 18th group is known as inert elements, right? Now, see, the periodic number, suppose if I take an example, helium, and another example, lithium. Helium is from period 1 and lithium is from period 2. Now, the period number signifies the number of electron shells that are present in an element. That means, as helium is from period 1, that means helium contains only one valence electron shell or one shell, right? And lithium is from second period. That means it contains 2 electron shell. Clear? On the other hand, if we look at the group number, let's take another example, sodium from group 1 and magnesium from group 2. Okay? Sodium from group 1 and magnesium from group 2. Now, the group number signifies the number of valence electrons that are present in the element. The electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. Okay, that means in the valence electron or in the valence shell, only one electron will be present. Sodium is from first group and at the valence shell, only one electron will be present. If we look at the magnesium is from second group. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 2. So at the valence shell, 2 electrons will be present. So in this way, the group number signifies the number of valence electron present in the element. Clear? Now, we will look what are bridge elements. Bridge elements are the elements of period 2 who shows similar properties with the elements of period 3. That means the period 2 elements, these are the period 2 elements. Okay, these period 2 elements will share similar properties with the elements present in the next group. That means with the period 3 elements. Period 2 elements will share similar properties with period 3 elements. And suppose if I take an example, if I arrange the elements in this way, like lithium, then it's beryllium, then boron. Okay. And here it's sodium. This is number 2 period and this is number 3 period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium. I'm taking 3 elements from each. See, lithium will show similar in properties with magnesium and beryllium will show similar in properties with aluminium. That means there is a diagonal relationship. These 2 elements are present diagonally to each other. So, a diagonal relationship is present in case of bridge elements, right? So, question often comes from this portion like, what are bridge elements or what do you mean by diagonal relationship? The answer of both these questions is same. Don't get confused between these 2 questions. Only the language is different. But the answer is same for both of them. Clear? So, this is all about the periodic table. This is the first lesson of this topic. And I think it's very much clear to you all what is the basic concept of the periodic table. I will upload other lessons on this topic very soon. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. And if you think my videos are informative and helpful, then please like and share my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.